So, hello friends, welcome back to our channel Exam Buddy. Now let's do our assignment Artificial Intelligence Concept and Techniques, week second assignment second. So, the first question is if B is the branching factor and D is the depth of the search tree, the space complexity of BFS is. So, these are the option O, B ki power D, O of BD, O of B, O of D. So, now let's check the answer of first question. Question first, O of BD ki power minus 1. So the answer of question first is A, O of B ki power D. Now the second question is if B is the branching factor and M is the maximum depth of the search tree, what is the space complexity of breadth for search? So these are the option O of B, O of M, O of B into M, O of dash. So now let's check the answer of second question. Second, generated remains in memory. There will be O B ki power D minus 1 nodes in the explode set and O of B ki power D nodes in the frontier and so on. So the answer of second question is C, O of B into M. Now the third question is what is another name for blind search? So these are the option informed search, uninformed search, greedy search, heuristic search. So now let's check the answer of third question. Question third, uninformed search introduction as also called blind search. So the answer of third question is B, uninformed search. Now the fourth question is uniform cost search expands the node n with the dash. So these are the option highest path cost, heuristic cost, average path cost, lowest path cost. So the answer of fourth question, uniform cost search UCS. Instead of expanding the shallowest node, uniform cost search expands the node n with the lowest path cost g of n. So now the answer of fourth question is D, lowest path cost. Now the fifth question is depth first search always expand the dash node among the leaf nodes of the search tree. So these are the option shallowest child node, deepest node, minimum cost node. So the let's check the answer of fifth question. Depth first search DFS. DFS always expand the deepest node in the current frontier of the search tree. So the answer of fifth question is C, deepest node. Now the sixth question is breadth first search always expand the dash node among the leaf nodes of the search tree. So these are the options shallowest child node, deepest node, minimum cost node. So now let's check the answer of sixth question. Breadth first search BFS is an instance of the general graph search algorithm in which the shallowest unexpanded node is chosen for expansion. So the answer of sixth question is A, shallowest. Now the seventh question is what search strategy is used for game playing? So these are the options linear search, minimax search, random search, none of these. So now let's check the answer of question 7. Question 7, optimal decision in game. Given a game tree, the optimal strategy can be determined from the minimax value of each node, which is written as minimax of n. So the answer of seventh question is B, minimax search. Now the eighth question is the node chosen for expansion in the greedy search in the dash node. So these are the options shallowest, deepest, one is estimate to be closest to goal, minimum heuristic cost. So let's check the answer of eighth question. Greedy best first be best first search. Greedy best first search tries to expand the node that is the closest to the goal on the ground that this is likely to lead to a solution quickly. So the answer of question 8 is C, one esteemed to be closest to goal. Now the ninth question is what type of search algorithm is used in minimax search? So these are the option hill climbing search, depth first search, breadth first search, local search. So now let's check the answer of ninth question. The minimax algorithm the minimax algorithm performs a complete depth first exploration of the game tree. So the answer of question ninth is B, depth first search. Now the 10th question is which of the following search algorithm searches forward from initial state and backward from goal state till both meet to identify a common state. So these are the option uniform cost strategy, iterative deepening, depth first search strategy, greedy search, bidirectional search. So now let's check the answer of 10th question. Bidirectional search. The idea behind bidirectional search is to run two simultaneous searches, one forward from the initial state and the other backward from the goal, hoping that the two searches meet in the middle. So the answer of 10th question is D, bidirectional search. Now submit your answer. Thank you friends for watching this video.